Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be going over how to quickly pack a bag for kids. The first thing that comes to mind is having the right trolley that makes all the difference. I have chosen a cabin-size luggage trolley. Most airlines allow one carry-on bag with the maximum size of 55 × 40 × 20 cm. This means that your bag can be 55 cm tall, 40 cm wide and 20 cm deep. It's always a good idea to check with your airline before you travel. Lay the pant flat on the surface. Fold the item vertically in half as shown. When it comes to packing the clothes, I always go with this two-fold method which keeps everything neat and saves space. Another great tip is to iron your clothes before packing. Ironed t-shirts lay flatter and take up less space in your trolley, making it easier to fit. For t-shirts, you fold the sleeves inward along with the body of the t-shirt. Ironing the clothes before packing is a game changer. Not only does it save space, but also makes the travel hassle-free. This is especially helpful when you're on the go and don't want to spend time ironing or dealing with wrinkled clothes. Adding a face towel is important for children, especially after meals, playtime, or bath time. By planning ahead and packing strategically, you can avoid overpacking while ensuring you have everything you need. There's always this confusion on how many clothes to carry for traveling, but this can be solved only by deciding few factors like the trip duration, weather, activities, and luggage capacity. The next important thing to carry is a towel. I'm carrying a hooded towel as it dries very quickly. Roll the towel tightly to fit into the suitcase or the carry-on luggage. The next thing that goes into the bag is the medication. Any liquid medication like the cough syrup or the fever medicine should be 100 ml or less when you're carrying it in your cabin luggage. The next thing I'm adding is a toiletry bag. So this is going to consist of the toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo and other products which are essential for traveling. I'm also keeping a sanitizer, moisturizing cream and wet wipe. Adding a sunscreen which is particularly important for protecting the skin when out in the sun. I'm adding a small sized hairbrush. always carry a few extra socks as the kids might remove them or they could get wet or dirty. It's also helpful in the cases where weather gets chilly and you have long flights. Adding a lightweight jacket ensures that kids stay warm and comfortable. Weather can be unpredictable, so always make sure that you carry warm clothes like a sweater or a jacket. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and I hope these tips will help you pack the kids' bag easily. See you next time.